In this video, I'll show you how you can download files from Google Drive to your laptop or computer. So first you need to go to Google Drive. So open up Google. If you're logged in, go to Google Apps and then click on Drive and it will take you to your Drive homepage. From here, there are a couple of ways you can interact with files. If someone has shared a file with you, you can find it on Shared with Me. And here you see all of the documents shared with you. You can right click on that document and then click on Download. If it's your own files that you want to download, go to My Drive. Here you'll see a list of all of your files. Again, you can highlight some of them or specific files, or you can just hold down Control and click on the files you want to select. Once you've done that, you can then click on the download button or right click and click on Download, and it will then zip the files and it will add them into your downloads folder. Once they have downloaded, we can open up File Explorer and head to the downloads folder. Here you can see this is the files. We can then drag them onto the computer